Palladium this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed with this bullish breakout, then going up, reaching 1089 resistance level, and from there the price has made a bounce, retrace back down all the way the first support level at 1024, and from there again the price is bouncing back up and then returning back down. We can see that the price was bouncing between these two price levels, which means indecision on the market. On the weekly time frame, this looks as a bullish candle formed on the chart, but currently we are in between this greater resistance and the support level on the weekly time frame, so the price could go in any direction. For now, for the monthly time frame, after the price has formed this bullish candle, bullish pin bar, and also bullish candle next month, this month is still bullish, and price has reached the first resistance level that was expected. So for now we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, so we'll see on the lower time frame what is happening, and at the end of the month we'll see how this candle looks. But for now, what we can see on the monthly time frame, 1089 is a very important level, and if the price goes above, it will be a bullish breakout, suggesting further rise up and reaching as the next target 1221. If the price goes down, this is the first level that needs to be broken. It is 1003 on the monthly time frame. If the price closes below that, it will suggest further decline down up to 937 as a first support level. On the weekly time frame, this is also a very important level. It is a resistance level 1089 that needs to be broken in order to make a bullish breakout, suggesting further rise in value. Below that, if the price goes below 981, it will suggest further decline, reaching 937 as the first support level. So we'll see that much more clearly here on the daily time frame. After the price has formed this bullish trend, the price has gone outside, forming this great demand zone, and continue to rise in value. For now, as it looks right now, what I'm expecting the price will try to reach again 1089, forming a bullish breakout. So I'm expecting for the price to go above, reaching higher price levels. But for that, I need to see the price making a bullish breakout here at 1089, and if the price goes down, forming here a bearish breakout, this will suggest further decline down, reaching 974 as the next support level. But on the daily time frame, we'll see what happens. But for now, as a conclusion, I am expecting to see Palladium on the higher price levels, at least reaching again 1089, and then we'll see what happens around this price level. If the breakout happens on the daily time frame, the price forming here a bearish candle going down or bullish candle form here, I will share that on the daily basis with the traders inside the Telegram group. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.